Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT for study help in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So what you want to do is simply use ChatGPT as an AI tutor and not a shortcut. To study effectively, ask the AI to explain tricky concepts in simple terms and generate custom revision notes, and also create a practice quizzes tailored exactly to your knowledge level. So for example, if you want to go ahead and master difficult concept, here's some kind of prompt that you can write. So act as a biology teacher, let's just say in my case, and explain the process of cellular respiration in simple terms suitable for a, let's say, 10th grader student. Provide real life analogy. Now, as you can see, it is going to go ahead and exactly let you know. So think of your body as a huge city. Every cell is like tiny house that needs electricity to function, and cellular respiration is the process that creates electricity for the cell, and so on and so forth. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll